Kim,
Yes.
what are we doing today?
We're going scuba diving.
Stick with us. We'll share with you our day today. I've got my GoPro with us, so hopefully we can show you some good underwater footage, plus some footage from the boat and everything else. What are you doing?
Putting on my bandana.
Yes, sir, ma'am. Sorry.
No, thank you.
Does he not like it? He doesn't like it.
All right, whatever. Let me show you where, or the business we selected to go diving with for our first dive here in Boracay, called AquaLife Divers. And so far they are super friendly. They're sizing us correctly. They're getting our gear ready. They have some cute little dogs. And like I said, they're super friendly here. And their dogs are cute, but they're not friendly. They don't like want to play or anything. And there's
That
Kim.
lady,
What is that?
That dog really friendly.
Really?
You just close. Yeah, it's gonna when I'm right here.
Hey, puppy.
See?
Hi.
Maybe she knows video, yeah.
Hey. Oh. That one's jealous.
Yeah.
Not really friendly.
Not really friendly.
Yes.
And this one's just doing its own thing. Let me show you some of the services they offer. They do all the certifications.
So bad.
And this is their location. Look at that. Let me show you some of the dive sites. So here's where we are now. And you can see they've got dive sites right on this side of the island, not very far out. They've got some on the other side of the island, but that's the windy side of the island. Our hotel is like right here. I'm sorry, our hotel is up here. And we're down here. And this is White Beach. So the price we're paying per dive here is 1,800 pesos, which is, I just did the math, it's about 32 or 33 bucks, which we've never dived in the United States, so we don't know the price per dive in the United States or other places, Europe and stuff. So why don't you share what dives cost there? That includes all the equipment, the boat, and everything. And they're taking really good care of us so far. And when we got certified on the island of Koh Tao in Thailand. And first of all, the cost to get certified was amazingly inexpensive, and the training was great. But now if we went back, a dive costs about $23, and Kim went like 3 months ago, and the dives were about $17. So a little bit more expensive here, but I think it's gonna be pretty amazing. And I brought my GoPro. So what did you just say to me?
Okay. This one is Nunoy is our pro.
Noi Nai?
Nunoy.
Nunoy.
Yeah,
Is he?
pro diving guy in Boracay. Yeah.
Is he shy?
No, he needs secret first, then he can really open the talking. Yeah, he's really good guy. Okay, you need to say something.
Yes.
That's good enough for now.
Kumapit ko na side.
We were gonna go down with half suits, but they just told us that there's a lot of jellyfish out there, so they advised us to use full suits. I wish they would have told me, not told her. That would have been fun.
Get into the water, put air on VCD. Average depth 14 meters, max depth 18 meters. Okay? So half tank, 100 bar. How do you say half tank underwater? Half tank. Or you can sign me using one hand, 100. Okay? Low in air 50. How's the hand low in air? 50. Low and air.
Oh,
Low and air.
what's this one?
Down.
Oh.
Both of time 30 to 45 minutes, okay? Depends on your air consumption, okay? If someone less than 70, okay, just stay close to me.
Okay.
I think your air consumption was good.
Okay, very good.
Safety stop, 3 minutes at 5 meters.
Yep.
Okay, so in Friday's rock, there's a decent line. Okay, we don't need to drop the anchor to protect the marine life. We just need to do is connect our boat to the decent line, and after that, we're gonna jump side by side of the boat here, and we're gonna swim backward on the front of the boat. After that, if you are ready, we'll start to go down close to the line. Okay, close to the line. We start to 14 meters. We're gonna turn around here. Here, you're gonna see a lot of turtle back. We call that one turtle back. It was artificial before pop. A lot of turtles.
Real
Turtle
turtles?
back. No, not.
Oh.
It was artificial.
Artificial turtles already.
It's hundreds.
Hundreds.
We're gonna swim here. Turn around. We're gonna reach the 18 meters. And we're gonna go to the other side. And we're gonna spend more time here. And after that, one of us run out of air. We're gonna start to go back to the line.
Okay.
And we're gonna make safety stop here on the line also. And after that, after the safety stop, we goes up, go back to the boat. So it's hard to go up to the boat with equipment. Okay? So on the side of the boat, there's a line you can hold on the sides. The first thing you're gonna remove, your weight boat, pass it to the captain boat. Next, your VCD. Last is your fins. Okay? Question, guys?
No.
Okay, ready?
Ready.
Okay, let's get to it.
And we are off. So, this is the community dock they have, and we are going on that first speedboat right there. Hello. What did he just tell us? The dive site is how far?
Less than 5 minutes. 7 minutes.
How come you didn't hear him say that?
Because we are using speedboat here, not banca boat. If we use banca boat, maybe 10 to 15 minutes.
So let me show you, there's also, there's an area back here that has a toilet and some showers. So once you get out of the water, you can get back here and clean off. So we're done. We both survived and we loved it.
Oh,
and
it was great.
We loved it so much. We'll come back tomorrow for 2 more dives. So that's the plan. And we'll share those with you in a different video. And it'll probably just be us diving around and looking at some fish and some starfish and some jellyfish. There's jellyfish out there. We found that out. And that's it. So have a great day. So we'll share this with you. We're looking for a place to eat. Right up the street is the buffet for $550 per person. So that's about $10 each. And this is what we're doing. What do you say, Kim?
Looks great to me.
All right.
Thank you.
So look at this. So I've got rice, coarse rice, seafood chop suey, breaded fish, shrimp with garlic butter, chicken mushroom casserole, a dessert section, Kim, salad, condiments, steamed fish, grilled chicken, and grilled pork.
Some people know with no better hand. I was grateful, I was hurt, and I was born and had a big black bruise. Some are pure and some are bad, some are sober and some are wasted.
So we're having a $10 buffet, lunch buffet. That is awesome. Enjoying it with that one right there. We've got live music right there. And we're doing it on one of the nicest beaches on the whole planet. So we're walking on white sand beach road, whatever, and there's vendors everywhere. So the beach is right there to our left, and there's stores to our right. And all along this road, there are vendors trying to sell us stuff. But one thing to note is there's definitely a lot of vendors, and this is how they make their money. But a simple no or no thank you, and they're gone. They're not pushing, pressuring. I just wonder if that's like a rule, because most of them have badges too, like they're licensed. So they have to, you know, get permission and license to be here. And I think they have certain rules they have to follow by, because we've been other places where no didn't work, and that was just annoying. Now it's just a little annoying. It's not a lot annoying. I mean, we could be walking right over there, you know, 50 feet to our left, and they're not even on the beach. That's the other thing, Kim. They're only on this road right here.
That's right. They're not coming down to the beach.
So that's it. Thank you. And everybody, every restaurant has people out front, and every tourist place has people out front. And Kim's throwing the ball back in the pool. Oh, nice throw, Kim.
This is why I don't play ball games.
So this place looks pretty popular. And Kim likes mango, so what's she gonna do?
I'm gonna get a mango holic.